Hey guys, Matty here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're out here in Labrador today. We were taking a look at some leaking taps for a customer. Now this happens for us maintenance plumbers a lot. Not all taps can be serviced. Sometimes they need to be replaced. It's not actually the taps or the washers. In behind we call it a seat where the washer sits up against. That's got a crack in it. That can only be grinded out so many times before we need to cut the tiles and replace that, which is what we're doing today. So you guys can see exactly what that looks like.
Alright, so as I was saying, that's the seat the washer sits on, and you can see in the far left, that's the crack that we've tried to grind out, but unfortunately that can't be serviced any further. So that's where we'll go ahead and replace the breach in the wall and resolve this issue for this customer. Alrighty guys, so we've replaced the breach in the wall. Next step, the tiler's going to reinstate the tiles for us. Then we'll go ahead and do the fit off of the taps and the spout. But just a good example, when the taps can't be serviced anymore, that's pretty much exactly what we needed to carry out. So that can be all your taps in your house, your bath, your shower, same procedure. So yeah, if you've got any questions, call the experts.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.